So this is a pretty cool RC truck. Welcome to the review, you guys. Today we're doing a review of this RC monster truck. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So this RC truck is a lot of fun, and it's perfect for kids. It's not crazy fast or powerful, which is good because most kids that are going to drive it are going to run into absolutely everything. We found that it operates really well on pavement and hard floors, and it does okay on carpet. Grass does tend to slow it down, but it does still go over the grass. The shorter the grass, the better, of course. It zips around pretty good. The lights on this are also really cool. In the box, you're going to get the truck, the remote, the charging cable, and 2 batteries, which means double the fun. Now, the controller on this is a little bit different. It's not your standard RC car controller. It's more like a game controller. It's really easy to drive and really fun. This thing has independent suspension, shock absorbers. Honestly, you can drive it pretty hard and it's just going to keep going. The wide wheels on this also make it a little bit harder for it to flip over when you're trying to make those really fast turns. Oh, and the range on this is pretty good as well. It's a nice sized car. It's perfect for all ages. If you're looking for a fun little RC car for yourself or as a gift for others, this was a lot of fun. We recommend this.